Hi, welcome to Palettes, Pouts, Perfumes and Panning, and I'm here this evening with the Pretty Little Thing beauty box. So if you'd like to stay and watch what is in the box, keep watching. So item number 1 in the box was the Pretty Little Thing Volume Mascara in the shade Black. And everybody needs mascara, so I'm quite happy with that. That was item number 1. Item number 2 in the box is Sassy Shop Bath, and it's in the fragrance I Love You. And if I didn't mention at the start of the video, Pretty Little Things are calling this box the Date Night Beauty Box, and it is so pretty when opened up. It looks like souffle. Very pleased with that. So item number 3 in the box is another item that I am extremely pleased with. It is by the brand Lime Crime, and it's the Velveteens Mini, and the shade is Lana or Lana, whichever you prefer. And I will give you a look at the shade. It's a beautiful shimmery coffee with a slight copper sheen to it. It's a metallic effect, I would describe it as, when swatched, and it is absolutely beautiful, and I think it's a lovely gift in the box. I am beyond pleased with that. So that was item number 3. Item number 4 is from the brand Increadable. Now, I haven't heard of that brand before, and it is a lip, cheek and eye tint stick, and it is also in an extremely lovely warm rosy brown. Yeah, I'd describe it as a rosy brown or a brown rose. Beautiful shade for this time of the year. So yet again, another gorgeous gift in the box, and so far there have absolutely been no duds in the box. Item number 5 in the box is by Pretty Little Thing themselves, it's a collab with Tatty Lashes, and these ones are the 3D Faux Mink Double Tap Lash. So that's what they look like. I haven't actually opened them yet, but there they are, and I possibly will put them in a giveaway because I don't as a rule wear fake lashes, but they are quite pretty. So yet again, another thing I'm happy with. So on to the next item. So item number 6 is by the brand Barry M, which is quite a good brand, very inexpensive, and I've always found their products good. They sell it at Boots, Barry M, and this is the Extreme Lip Plumper, and the shade is That's Swell, and it's a similar shade to the Lime Crime Lana Velveteen Mini. It's very similar. It might be a little bit lighter, but similar nevertheless, and I'm also very happy with that. So now we're on to item number 7, which is by the brand Sleek, and it is the Eye Divine eyeshadow in the palette that they have titled Level Up. Now, originally the palette that they were saying was going to be in the box was a warm tone palette called High Flyer. It was browns and oranges and rich warm colours. Now this is a very plain, I would describe them as plain, and I would describe them as very cool toned, but again, I'm not disappointed because I like a cool tone palette from time to time, so I'm more than happy with that. even though it wasn't the one that was supposed to be in the box. So that is the Sleek Eye Divine Level Up, not Eye Divine High Flyer as initially I thought. So on to the last item in the box, and I have saved the best to last, so keep watching. So last but by no means least is the item that I was most looking forward to receiving in the box. It's item number 8, and it is Like a Diamond Highlight Palette by Doll. So I will let you see what the shade looks like. So we have Doll Beauty Like a Diamond highlighter, and it is absolutely beautiful. The shade is beautiful, the packaging is beautiful, and I think it is just beautiful on every level. And I am so happy that I purchased the PrettyLittleThing Date Night box, beauty box, and I think every single one of the 8 products that were in it is a winner. So I'm giving PrettyLittleThing beauty box 2 thumbs up, and if I could give them 3, I would. So apart from the damaged box that I would imagine is the courier's fault, not PrettyLittleThing, everything was absolutely spot on. So as I said, 2 thumbs up, and so happy with that box. So if you've enjoyed my box and going through it with me, could you give my video the thumbs up if you have, and if you could share my video out, I would appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. And I do thank you for coming and spending time with me going through the PrettyLittleThing beauty box Date Night. Thank you.